One of the extremely important topics for your upcoming prelims examination is the Northern Sea Route. Now this Northern Sea Route, if you look onto the map carefully, runs from the region of Bering Strait running through the Kara Sea in the north. Now this was not a navigable route before. The simple reason is it was under an immense ice cap. Over the years the ice cap has been thinning and therefore this route is now turning navigable. Another important reason is if you go through the region of Suez Canal and transfer towards the east coast of Russia, it would take a longer path. This northern sea route would be nearly 40% shorter as compared to the route through the Suez Canal. Now in this new route which they are discovering, there are two important choke points. One is near the Taimyr area and that is the Vilvisky Strait. The other is the Bering Strait between the regions of Alaska and Russia. Now both of these are the bottleneck areas where the movement becomes difficult, similar to the movement across Suez Canal. But to relieve this issue of Suez Canal, this route has now become popular and in news, and India also is trying to have a part of the North Sea route through Chennai to Vladivostok. So connecting Chennai to Vladivostok is one of the ways we are trying to ignore the Red Sea area, the Suez Canal, and ensure that there are regular supply of energy security through this route. So very, very important for your prelims examination, even for your mains geography examination. We'll be covering a series of interesting concepts. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.